Hey, I am Kasim Gulzar and I am a student. Today I will discuss climate change. Both shifting weather patterns and global warming because of greenhouse gases make climate change. Shifting weather patterns threaten food production and sea levels are rising, which will cause flooding and it will be catastrophic. Climate change is a global challenge and it needs a global solution because our activities affected climate system greatly. Now the question is, what are the factors behind climate change? So climate is changing since Earth's formation and it was changing because of natural factors such as volcanic eruptions and shifts in the Earth's crust. Earth experienced a series of warmer and glacial periods for thousands of years. But since the Industrial Revolution, Earth's temperature has been increasing at a much faster rate. Climate is changing drastically because of burning fossil fuels, deforestation, cement production, and agriculture. We are monoculturing crops at thousands of hectares, and as a result, we are losing biodiversity. Rearing animals and planting crops releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Nitrous oxide, carbon dioxide, and methane are greenhouse gases which are causing climate change. Cement production is the cause of 2% of entire carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So we humans are the main cause of climate change because we are cutting forests, we are burning fossil fuels, we are rearing livestock and monoculturing thousands of hectares. We are producing nitrous oxide through fertilizers and other greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane through other resources. And because of our activities, we are now facing the impacts of climate change. Humans and other species are being affected worldwide. Not only the temperature of atmosphere and oceans is rising, but people are facing droughts, tsunamis, insect outbreaks, water scarcity, shrunken agricultural yields, and sea levels are rising too. People are moving to higher lands because of rising sea levels. Our health too is being affected because of climate change, and at the same time, temperature of seas and oceans is rising dramatically and coral reefs are dying. Marine life is facing the challenges of toxic wastes and plastic pollution. Things don't have to be this way. It is a global challenge and it needs global attention and a global solution. It's never too late. We can stop it now and here. We can heal our wounded planet and it starts from our homes. The first thing we need to do is to make our families and friends aware of climate change. We need to use renewable energy such as wind and solar energy. We need to weatherize, invest in energy efficient appliances, and we should not waste water because it is the basic requirement for life. We should not waste food and we need to reduce the consumption of meat. We should buy better bulbs such as LED bulbs. We should unplug the devices when they are fully charged, otherwise we are wasting energy. So guys, if we really care about our future and we want to save ourselves from unprecedented effects of climate change, we need to act now so that we can save ourselves from the worst effects of climate change. Guys, there are some myths about climate change that it's not real and other things. I will clear all these myths in another video. Thanks for watching and listening. Have a good day.